Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you can sign back in later. That's why you back up or confirm cloud sync. Once ready, unlock the device and go straight to Settings, then Accounts and tap Google. You're not deleting the account, just removing it from this device, so enter your password if prompted and choose Remove Account. Make sure any encryption or device admin prompts are acknowledged so the system allows removal. Once removed from the device, go to your Google account via web to control access. First, toggle off syncing if any device still connects, which prevents fresh backups to that device. Then visit Security and review your devices. Sign out any devices you removed locally to cut sessions. Finally, revoke third-party app access you no longer want tied to the account. Revoking prevents background access even if device was previously authorized. These steps ensure removal is thorough without deleting the account. To finish, confirm the account no longer appears on the device and that the devices list in your Google account reflects the change. Try signing in to verify credentials still work. When you want the account back, go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Add Account, and sign in. If removal fails, check for Active Device Admin or find My Device Permissions and disable them, or sign out via My Account. Google.com, then retry. This usually resolves persistent removal errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.